Welcome to my bathroom. Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. Wow. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine pretty much. I don't have a crazy intricate skincare routine. I used to, but now I don't. This is kind of like a skincare routine-ish / get unready with me. I don't really know. Also, spoiler alert, wow. I'm using my front camera right now. Wow, front camera, wow, cool. So I'm using my front camera right now because my bathroom is like so tiny that if I did not use my front camera, I would not be able to see myself. And I probably wouldn't be in frame most of the time, so that's why we're dealing with this, but it's okay. That's my toilet. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because I don't have anything else to say. So I first put this little thingy on. It came with like these masks that I got. I'm doing a full video on them. It may be already up by when you see this, but if it is, I'll link it up in the ad. Oh wow, I look like a cheerleader. Okay. So yeah, I love using this thing because it's like super soft and it keeps my hair out of my face. Wow. And it keeps my hair out of my face. So the first step in this very bougie skincare routine is I have to take off my makeup. So your girl is out of makeup remover at this moment. So I've been using coconut oil, which really is better for your skin anyway. So it's probably good that I ran out of makeup remover, but it kind of just like gets in my eyes and stuff. So I don't really know how I feel about it, but it's been working for now. It's like liquid right now because upstairs it's pretty hot. The air conditioner does not like to work that great up here. So yeah, I just put some on my face and it's probably not that sanitary to like go back into the coconut oil, but you know, it's okay. I put a pretty generous amount on my face so then I can actually like rub it in and stuff. Also, I'm sorry that I'm looking at myself. So I just do that and I do my face first because I don't like to do my eyes because then I can't see what I'm doing. But I'll just do my eyes after my face. Also, my mirror is over there. That's why I keep having to look in my phone because that's the next best thing and it's like way closer. I'm using one hand because I have a band-aid on this finger, so it's like kind of hard to use that finger and I don't really want to get coconut oil in there. So I don't have a ton of makeup on my face today, but it's still good to get it all off because if you don't get it all off then your face is gonna break out. Plus, as much makeup as I do on a weekly basis, I guess, because I don't do my makeup like every single day, it's pretty important to keep your skin clean. Okay, next is cleanser, and I've been using this Trader Joe's cleanser. It's just like Nourish all-in-one facial cleanser. It looks like this. I don't use any like fancy one. This is just really like simple, and there's not a lot of like bad things, I suppose. I mean, there's like a lot of ingredients in this, but I don't really know about ingredients that well, so this is what I've been using and it's not breaking me out. Wow, I sound country, wow. And it's not breaking me out, so I've been using it, and as you can tell, it's almost gone. And I don't have a Trader Joe's near me, so let me know your thoughts on a good cleanser. So if you have a good cleanser that you've been using that's good for like sensitive skin, I don't really think I have sensitive skin, but things for sensitive skin don't really break me out. So yeah, let me know if you have any good cleanser suggestions. Love being right above the garage. Okay, and I've been using this Clarisonic with it. This is the Mia 1. There is also a Mia 2, but this is just the Mia 1. It is so sweet though, because Clarisonic gifted me this from Octoly, and okay, don't mind me, just trying to film a video. I think we're good now. But yeah, Clarisonic sent me this through Octoly, and that is so sweet. Thank you so much to Clarisonic. This is crazy. I've always wanted one of these. First, I have to get it really moist. Then I get my face. Then I get my face moist. Oh my goodness. Then I just squirt some of this on here. Usually like 1 to 2 pumps, no more than that, 1.5. And then I just press this here power button and it'll just stop on its own when it's done. So I just run it along my face.
I see what you mean.
I'm doing a skincare video right now. I'm filming a skincare video right now. So it is done now. And I'm gonna rinse this off and then I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this. Oh yeah, and I need to rinse this off too. 1 second. Oh yes. Okay, so this is the Acne brush head, which is really good if you have acne prone skin or stuff like that. I've been using this ever since I got it and I haven't been breaking out much. I mean, there's this right here, but that just happens every once in a while. This is really good. It's really nice and soft, like it does not irritate my skin at all. A lot of the times my face becomes more red after using these type of things, but really, it's not. So it is higher up in price, but I do think it's worth it because you can have these for a long time. These do last a long time, so if you're interested, there's a link in the description. Okay, so now is the time that I would do a mask, but I'm not really feeling one today and I don't really need to. Like, there's not really a point in doing one right now, but if I do, then I would use these Biore deep cleansing pore strips. I just used one last night, so I'm not going to today, but I use these like every 2 to 3 weeks, like once every 2 to 3 weeks, and they're really nice. Like, these are the ones that I use. They're just these basic pore strips. Or I have these, the set of 3 of these Trader Joe's masks. They're not bad, but they're also not my favorite. If I use a mask, that's pretty much it, even though it's not really a mask. Or I don't have any in stock right now at my house because I just used them, but the Double Dare ones are so good and they're really cool. And if you want to buy any Double Dare masks, I will have my link in the description. It would help me out so much. This is something that I have from Double Dare and I love this stuff. It is really good for my skin. It's lemon scented and it's really nice. So I will have a link for the Double Dare website in the description. It would help me out a lot if you got something from there. Let me know if you buy anything. Use the link in the description though, because use the link in the description though, that would help me out so much. And if you do end up buying something using my link, then you can get a shout out in one of my YouTube videos and you will also get a shout out in my Instagram story. So this is really good and their masks are really good, and you get this cute headband if you want. So highly recommend. But like I said, I'm not going to do masks today since I did one yesterday. So now I'm going to use this Clean and Clear deep cleansing toner. I just use it with one of these little cotton pads. I just run it all over my face, nothing fancy. And I don't really have a moisturizer at the moment, so I've just been using what I have. That's usually the Clean and Clear Gel Moisturizer or anything like that. But since I used coconut oil, my skin is pretty hydrated already. I highly recommend the Clean and Clear Gel Moisturizer, but I always use a gel moisturizer. So if you have any good gel moisturizer recommendations, let me know because I'm in need. The Clean and Clear one is good, but I kind of just want to change it up. So I'm just going to skip out on that today, but I usually never do that. It's not that great for your skin. We're almost done. So now I'm going to use this Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. 1 second. You just put this on at night before you go to bed and it's nice. I've just been using it on and on, so I don't think I'm getting like the full results, but it's cool, I guess. And then the very last thing is Carmex. It's very good. It's great. nothing else to say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the skincare routine video. It's been decently requested, so. But yeah, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!